Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain TWILIO app review to see what you're using. So let's get started. TWILIO is a cloud communication platform that allows business and developers to integrate SMS, voice, video and messaging into the app through API. It's widely used for customer notification, two-factor authentication, call routing and marketing campaign. The platform is flexible, scalable and works globally, which makes it a strong tools for companies that need a programmable communication solution. However, TWILIO isn't the easiest tools for beginners, as it requires technical knowledge to set up, use effectively. Costs can also add up quickly with higher usage, and some user report issues with billing transparency, verification delay, and slow customer support. In conclusion, the app worth it if you are a business or if you are a business person or a developer looking for a scalable, customizable communication platform, but not ideal if you want a beginner-friendly tools, flat pricing, or strong customer support without technical hurdles. And that's it.